A clog that resists basic remedies or causes repeated overflow is likely beyond do-it-yourself care and needs professional attention. Start by testing simple measures that reliably indicate severity. Use a wide cup plunger on sinks or a flange plunger on toilets and plunge firmly for 5 to 10 cycles, while keeping a steady seal. If that fails, remove and clean the trap under the sink using a bucket and gloves to check for visible obstructions you can safely extract by hand or with a drain snake. For toilets, avoid chemical drain cleaners because they can damage porcelain and septic systems, and they rarely clear compact obstructions. If you suspect a large foreign object, do not force it further with tools because that can push it deeper and cause a full blockage. Instead, try mechanical retrieval with a toilet auger which extends past the trap to break or hook the object. Persistent slow drains after cleaning can mean a deep sewer line issue. Run clean water for several minutes to see if flow improves and check other fixtures for simultaneous slow drainage, which signals a mainline problem. Keep safety in mind. Wear eye protection, use gloves, and avoid mixing chemicals or using excessive force that can break pipes. Common mistakes include repeating chemical treatments, which wastes money and harms pipes and septic systems. Stop using chemicals and switch to mechanical methods or call a plumber. Another frequent error is assuming a single fixture issue is isolated when multiple slow drains often indicate a main sewer blockage. If more than one drain is slow, arrange professional inspection. People also try to force or dislodge large objects and end up pushing debris deeper or cracking fixtures. If a foreign object is suspected or plunging and augering do not work, pause and contact a plumber to avoid costly repairs. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide a discussion community where people share experiences and ask questions. We help contractors find work by giving them a place to reach homeowners and participate in community conversations.